around speech recognition and synthesis and a lot of the
You're building talent, you're building knowledge, you're sharing experiences, and
because we embrace and we love open source at Microsoft. That's a change.
There is a big, bright future for data analytics, and for me it was very important to have this event on campus. And this is
We're basically a commercial data bureau.
My company does data science education services.
I had been more focused on investment industry.
What we do is we actually own a fleet of cars that we rent out to Uber drivers.
Thank you.